Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, July 8th, 2020, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, this Dow is just so crazy because we had a pretty big down day yesterday. It looks like it was going, you know, all the way down. This pattern was terrible. And what happens today, it opens up, then it goes negative, and then it comes back up. Not quite to its high, but real seesaw action. Dow ends up 177 points. So, what happens to us? We had a fantastic day. And I just sometimes I sit here and I've been no matter I have traded so many years and watched these markets for thousands and thousands of hours, and I still can't figure out why things go the way they do sometimes. And you know, I can talk about things, offer ideas, but the truth is there are days when things are terrible and days when things are good, and I can't tell you exactly what the ingredients are to making those days. But anyway, yesterday was really a kind of a mediocre day for us, as you might expect with a down like that. But we ended up with negative $700, I believe, on the close. With those same positions that were negative $700 yesterday, we closed out all 8 of those positions today with positive $23,000 plus, over $23,000. So we went from negative 700 to positive $2,300. Nothing went wrong. Absolutely nothing went wrong. And then with all the seesaw action, we got into 13 new positions, 6 positive, 6 negative, and we're carrying another $10,000 positive going into tomorrow. So, like, you look at the Dow here, and all indications in it's a crazy up and down seesaw market, and yet everything as far as our trades went, they went perfectly. Can't complain at all. $23,000 closed out, $10,000 we're carrying. $33,000 day. Unbelievable. I just I don't understand markets, but I do understand our algorithm, and I know if I stick with the algorithm, I make a lot of money. I'll show you 3 of our trades today. This first one, I've showed you this chart before. This is NIO Incorporated. This thing started on Thursday. We bought it, big gap up. On Monday, caused us to hold it, and then we got stopped out here with profits. $11,300 in profits right here. Almost stopped out on the low of the day. It kept moving. We got re-entered yesterday, and I was kind of holding my breath on it. Big gap up this morning, and we got out almost at the top of this move today, and we took another $9,000 in profits out of NIO. So in spite of the fact that we were out of the market for this big part right here yesterday, we still have taken over $20,000 in profits on this 4-day move. Just great trade. And then to get out at the top of the market today, just unbelievable. I couldn't do that, but the algorithm can do it. That's why I stick with the algorithm. Well, you should too. Okay, here's another good trade. This is GSX. That is GSX Tekadu Incorporated. We got into this at the end of the first hour. It just kept moving big high here. It did pull back quite a bit there, but we still have $5,000 in open trade in Tekadu Incorporated. And this chart looks to me, we'll get more money out of this tomorrow, I believe. This looks good. And then finally, I got another. Here, hang on. I gotta monkey around with this a little. This is the last one I'll show you. This is NKLA, which is Nikola Corporation. And you can't see it, but this thing has been declining rapidly for many days. And this morning, boom, it gaps up. We grabbed that gap, and it kept moving very nicely there. And we are holding positive $6,000 in Nikola Corporation. So that looks real good too. So all around, just a fantastic day. Trader Bob is signing off. Be back here tomorrow on Thursday.